Hello my dear kids, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel KVS Coach. Today I am here with 25 birds name. I have made videos on other topics also like vegetable name, fruits name, colors name, pulses name, etc. If you want to see all these videos, then click on the link given below in the description box. So let's start with bird's name. First bird name is Ostrich. What is the name of the bird? Ostrich. This is Ostrich. What is the name? Ostrich. Speak with me. Ostrich. Ostrich. Second number is, this is hen. What is this? Hen. Hen. This is hen. Kukuruku. Hen. 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 And next bird is crow. 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 This is crow. Crow. Speak with me. Crow. 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 And next bird is hawk. This is hawk. This is hawk. Speak with me. Hawk. 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 This is hawk. And next bird is seagull. Seagull. This is seagull. Seagull. Speak with me. Seagull. 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 Next bird is sparrow. 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 This is sparrow. Speak with me. Sparrow. 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 Next bird is owl. 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 This is owl. 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 Next bird is duck. This is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck. Speak with me. Duck. 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 Next bird is hummingbird. What is name? Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. A colorful bird. Very rare bird. What is the name? Hummingbird. 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 Next bird is swan. 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 This is swan. Swan. What is the name of this bird? Swan. 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 And the next bird is eagle. 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 This is eagle. Eagle. This is eagle. 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 And the next bird is flamingo. Flamingo. This is flamingo. A beautiful bird. Flamingo. 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 And the next bird is vulture. Vulture. Repeat with me again and again. Vulture. 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 And the next bird is macaw. This is macaw. This is macaw. 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 Speak with me. Macaw. Macaw. This is macaw, a very beautiful rare bird. Macaw. And the next bird is kingfisher. What is the name? Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Kingfisher. What is the name of this bird? Kingfisher. This bird only eats fishes. That's why we call it kingfisher. Kingfisher. And the next bird is pigeon. 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 This bird is pigeon. Pigeon. Speak with me. Pigeon. Pigeon. And the next bird is rooster. Rooster. This is rooster. Rooster. What is the name of this bird? Rooster. 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 And the next bird is woodpecker. This is woodpecker. 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 This is woodpecker. 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 And the next bird is toucan. This is toucan. 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 This is also a very rare bird. Toucan. Toucan. And the next bird is penguin. This is penguin, an Australian bird. Penguin. What is the name of this bird? Penguin. 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 And the next bird is our national bird. Do you know what is the name of this bird? Peacock. This is peacock, our national bird. Peacock. What is the name? Peacock. 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 And the next bird is dove. Dove. This is dove. Do you know? We also call it a lucky bird. What is the name of this bird? Dove. 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 And the next bird is finch. 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 This is finch, a very rare sparrow. This is called finch. A colorful sparrow is known as finch. 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 And the next bird is crane. 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 This is crane. 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 Repeat with me. Crane. 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 And the next one is, this is parakeet. What is the name? Parakeet. This is parakeet. A very small, beautiful, colorful bird is parakeet. This is parakeet. 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 Repeat with me again and again. Parakeet. 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 So kids, here we are with 25 words. Now, what is the time? Time to play. Recap all these pictures, or you can say all these names. Identify all these birds with me again. Tell me, what is the name of this bird? Yes, think and tell. Fast, fast. Okay? Identify the bird. What is the name of this bird? If you can't identify, go back to the video, learn the name and come back here. Okay? Yes. Now tell me. This is ostrich. Very nice. And the next bird is this one. What is the name of this bird? Yes, yes, yes. I know you know that. This is hen. Very nice. And the next bird is this one. What is the name of this bird? Yes, think about it, kids. What is the name of this bird? Crow. Very nice. This is crow. Very good. And the next bird is, yes, this one. What is the name of this bird? Think about it. Yes, yes, think. What is the name of this bird? Hawk. Very nice. This is hawk. And next one is this one. Yes, this is next bird. What is the name of this bird? Think. Seagull. Very nice. Very good. And the next bird is this one. Yes, you know that. Very good. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Very nice. Next one is this one. Who will tell me what is the name of this bird? Yes, think about it. This is owl. Very nice. This is owl. And next one is this one. Yes. Now tell me, what is the name of this bird? Think about it fast. Duck. Very nice. This is duck. Very good. Duck. And the next bird is this one. What is the name of this bird? Think. What is the name of this bird? Yes, kids, think about it. Think about it. Think and tell. What? Think about it. Yes, this is hummingbird. Very nice, hummingbird. And the next bird is this one. Yes, now tell me what is the name of this bird? This is Swan. Very nice. This is Swan. And the next bird is this one. Who will tell me what is the name of this bird? Yes. This is Eagle. Very nice. This is Eagle. And the next bird is this one. Tell me fast. What is the name of this bird? Think about it. Yes. Small, beautiful, colorful bird. What is the name of this bird? We learned in the last. Yes. This is Parakeet. Very nice. This is Parakeet. And the next one is this one. Who will tell me what is the name of this bird? Yes. This is Flamingo. Very nice. Flamingo. And the next one is this one. Yes, what is the name of this bird? Tell me fast. This is, yes, this is Vulture. Very nice. This is Vulture. And the next bird is this one. Colorful rare bird. What is the name of this beautiful bird? Yes, think about it. This is Macaw. Very nice. This is Macaw. And the next bird is this one. Fish in the peak. What is the name of this bird? Yes, think about it, kids. Kingfisher. Very nice. Very good. This is Kingfisher. And the next bird is this one. Yes, what is the name of this bird? Pigeon. Very nice. Very good, kids. Very quick. And the next bird is this one. This is no, this is not hen. Think about it. What is this? This is Rooster. Very nice. This is Rooster. Rooster have very long and strong legs. Okay. And the next one is this one. This is, what is this? Think, what is this? This is Woodpecker. Very good, kids. This is Woodpecker. Very nice. Clap for you. And the next one is this one. This is bird name. What is the name of this bird? Yes, think about it very fast. These are rare bird. Yes, this is toucan. Very nice. Toucan. This is toucan. And the next one is this one, an Australian bird. Tell me the name. Yes, I know you know that. This is penguin. Very nice. And the next one is this one, our national bird, India's national bird. Peacock. Very good. Very good. And the next one is this one. Yes. Tell me, kids, what is the name of this bird? It is lucky bird. People say if we see this bird, that day will be lucky for us. What is the name of this bird? Dove. White, pure white birds. Dove. Very nice. Very good. And the next one is this one. Yes. Tell me, what is the name of this beautiful, colorful sparrow? Tell me fast, what is the name of this bird? This is Finch. Very nice. This is Finch. Very good. And the next one is this one. What is the name of this bird? Yes, who will tell me? Think about it. Very nice. Think. What is the name of this bird? This is crane. Very nice. Clap for you. This is crane. So kids, here we learn 25 birds name. Repeat this video again and again and learn all the words. Okay? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach and press the bell icon for getting notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.